Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will solve some important questions of analogy topic which is very important for your competitive exams. So let's start today's class. So first question is college ratio student. As we know that college is a place for student. तो हमें ऐसा पेयर फाइंड आउट करना है जो इससे रिलेटेड हो. तो जेल रेशियो क्रिमिनल, स्टेट रेशियो कंट्री, ग्रीस रेशियो रोम, मैन रेशियो होम. As we know that jail is a place for criminals, so it is related to first pair. It is same as first pair and making analogy. So option number A is correct. Next question, hockey ratio game. As we know that hockey is a game. Clear? So हमें इसी तरह का कोई पेयर फाइंड आउट करना है फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस. क्लियर? सो बुक रेशियो रीड, लेटिन रेशियो लैंग्वेज, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रेशियो असेंबली एंड किंग रेशियो रूल. एज वी नो दैट लेटिन इज अ लैंग्वेज. क्लियर? सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट. Next question, elevated ratio exalted. As we know that elevated means exalted. It means both are synonyms of each other. Then we have to find out which pair is the synonym of each other. Dirty, filthy, disorderly, unfaithful, promoted excellence, raise commensurate. As we know that dirty is the synonym of filthy. So option number A is correct. Next question, water ratio oxygen. As we know that water contains oxygen in it because the scientific name of water is H2O. So salt contains sodium and it completes analogy. So option number C is correct. Next question, music ratio notes. As we know that music contains notes. Then what contains what from the following pairs? So mathematics contains numbers. So option number D is correct because it completes the analogy. Next question, gum ratio stick. As we know that gum is used to stick anything. And what is used to do what from the following pairs? So brush is used to paint. So option number B is correct and completes the analogy. Next question, jackal ratio dog. As we know that jackal and dog belongs to the same class. So similarly from the following pairs, which pair belongs to same class? Orange ratio lemon, tiger ratio wolf, ant ratio antipole, crow ratio bat. As we know that orange and lemon belongs to same class. So option number A is correct. Next question, Tagore ratio Gitanjali. As we know that Gitanjali is written by Tagore. सो हमें इन सभी पेयर्स में से बताना है कि कौन सी बुक कौन सी राइटर के द्वारा लिखी गई है और कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. नोबल रेशियो डायनामाइट, डिकन्स रेशियो ऑलिवर ट्विस्ट, शेक्सपियर स्काईलार्क, मैडम क्यूरी रेडियम. So as we know that Oliver Twist is written by Dickens. So option number B is correct. Next question, water ratio swim. As we know that in water we swim. Clear? सो हमें बताना है कि कौन सा पेयर एनालॉगी कंप्लीट कर रहा है. नॉट रेशियो टाई, ग्राउंड रेशियो प्ले, फ्लड रेशियो डैमेज, ग्रेज रेशियो ग्रास. एज वी नो दैट इन ग्राउंड वी प्ले. सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट एंड कंप्लीट्स द एनालॉगी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेट रेशियो ड्राई. क्लियर? सो एज वी नो दैट वेट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ ड्राई. तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि इन सभी पेयर्स में से कौन सा पेयर जो है एक दूसरे का ऑपोजिट होगा. राइज रेशियो वॉक, स्कोल्ड रेशियो प्रेज, वेदर रेशियो टेम्परेचर, वर्स रेशियो वर्स्ट. एज वी नो दैट scold is the opposite of praise. So option number B is correct. Next question, bravery ratio courage. As we know that bravery and courage both are synonyms of each other. तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि इन सभी पेयर्स में से एक दूसरे का सिनोनियम वाला पेयर कौन सा होगा. राइज रेशियो अवेक, स्कोल्ड रेशियो प्रेज, वेदर रेशियो कूल, वर्स रेशियो गुड. As we know that rise and awake both are synonyms of each other. So option number A completes the analogy. So guys, we have completed some important questions of analogy topic. I have also completed the series of questions of some other topics of reasoning also on our YouTube channel. You can check the playlist of such topics on our YouTube channel. If you like our videos content, then please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. I have also provided my Telegram or WhatsApp channel link in the description. You can also join such channels by clicking on such links. Help me to reach 1K subscribers. Thank you very much.